Check it out. Foggy out here and it's rainy morning. Another beautiful day. Hey, good morning, Geomad Cat here. Hey, how you here? Hey, how you doing today? Hey, it's another week number 19 on the journey to better health with Optavia. Let's check out the numbers. Y'all stay with me. All right, folks, ready for this? Hey, I'm on my EatWise app here, and I put my weights in every week. So week number 19, let's take a look at it. What's it say there? What's it say? 268.2, down another 2.4 pounds at 71.6 pounds. 71.6 pounds in 19 weeks on this great journey with Optavia. Yep, doing great, feel good. Another good week. I lost some pounds and I feel great. I'm under 270, 268. Wow. Hey, and again, thanks to my wife, my coach, Kendra Bell. You need to check her out. And she's doing great. She is doing awesome. She's down to 180 this week. And I love her, and it's working out great. And again, another wet morning. It's been raining the last 2 days out here. This is South Carolina for you. But it's pretty nice today. It's about 59 right now. Yeah, I feel great again. And if you're not on this journey, you need to check it out. It's a new year. And I tell you, since September 19th I've been on this. And I'm doing awesome. And I feel awesome. And I don't know what else to say. It's easy. Very easy. Again, another great week. Thanks for watching. Love you. This is Geomad Cat. I'm out of here. Have a good day.